Welcome to this essential guide on SMART goals for money. Financial success doesn't happen by accident. It requires clear planning and well-defined objectives. The SMART framework is a proven methodology that transforms vague wishes into actionable financial plans. Whether you're saving for a home, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement, understanding how to set SMART financial goals is the foundation of achieving lasting financial security. Let's explore how this powerful framework can revolutionize your approach to money management. SMART is an acronym that stands for 5 critical components of effective goal setting. S stands for specific, meaning your goal should be clear and well-defined. M represents measurable, ensuring you can track your progress with concrete numbers. A means achievable, requiring your goal to be realistic given your current situation. R stands for relevant, meaning your goal should align with your broader life priorities. Finally, T represents time-bound, requiring you to set a clear deadline. Each of these elements works together to create goals that are not just dreams, but actionable plans with a clear path to success. The first element of SMART is specific. A specific goal answers the questions: what exactly do you want to achieve? Why is it important? And what are the details? Vague goals like save money lack direction and make it difficult to create an action plan. Instead, a specific goal clearly defines the target. For example, rather than saying, "I want to save money," a specific goal would be, "I want to save $10,000 for a home down payment." Notice how the specific version tells you exactly what you're saving for and how much you need. This clarity makes it easier to stay motivated and develop a concrete savings strategy. The second element is measurable. A measurable goal includes concrete criteria for tracking progress and knowing when you've achieved success. Without measurement, you have no way to celebrate milestones or adjust your strategy if needed. Compare save more each month with save $500 per month for 20 months. The measurable version gives you specific numbers to track. You can check each month whether you've met your $500 target, calculate your total progress toward $10,000, and determine exactly how many months remain. Measurability transforms abstract intentions into trackable actions with clear benchmarks along the way. The third element is achievable. An achievable goal is realistic and attainable given your current financial situation, income, and expenses. Setting unrealistic goals leads to frustration and giving up. Consider the difference between saving $50,000 in 6 months on a $40,000 annual salary versus saving $10,000 in 20 months on the same income. The first goal would require saving more than your entire income, which is impossible. The second goal requires saving $500 per month, which represents about 15% of monthly income after taxes. This is challenging but achievable with proper budgeting. Always ensure your goals stretch you without breaking you. The fourth element is relevant. A relevant goal aligns with your broader life priorities, values, and current financial situation. It should matter to you personally and fit within your overall financial picture. For instance, saving for a luxury car while carrying high-interest debt isn't relevant to sound financial health. However, building an emergency fund to secure your family's financial stability is highly relevant, especially if you lack savings. Your goals should support your values and life stage. Ask yourself, does this goal align with what truly matters to me? Does it make sense given my current circumstances? Relevant goals keep you motivated because they connect to your deeper purpose. The fifth and final element is time-bound. A time-bound goal has a specific deadline that creates urgency and accountability. Without a timeframe, goals can be postponed indefinitely. Compare save $10,000 someday with save $10,000 by December 31st, 2026. The time-bound version creates a clear finish line. You can work backward from that deadline to determine your monthly savings target. The deadline also helps you stay focused and resist spending that money on other things. Time-bound goals transform wishes into commitments with a clear timeline for achievement. Now let's see how all 5 elements come together in one complete SMART financial goal. Here's a perfect example. I will save $10,000 for a home down payment by December 31st, 2026, by setting aside $500 per month from my salary into a high-yield savings account. Notice how this goal is specific with a clear purpose and amount. It's measurable with exact dollar figures and monthly targets. It's achievable based on realistic income assumptions. It's relevant to the important life goal of homeownership, and it's time-bound with a specific deadline. This is how SMART goals work. By following this framework, you transform financial dreams into concrete, actionable plans that lead to real results.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.